Hi everybody, a fixed trader here today, and I want to talk to you about the stock chart for PSID, PositiveID Corporation, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So really what I want to do here is to kind of just give a general update and overview of this chart. I'm not going to talk much about specific indicators other than to kind of just say that as you can see, the RSI has come out of the power zone, so we're going to be watching this for a little curl back up and a cross above that 50. That's going to trigger some momentum in my opinion. Now just to kind of go back and talk about some of the trading, some of the price action here we've seen lately. So on Friday, we saw tests of several key levels. This 2.4 cent level has proven all the way since last year to be a pretty substantial level of support and resistance. So seeing that that held on Friday is very bullish, and we actually bounced up off of that. We also held above this 200 MA here. Didn't quite hold the 50, but that's okay. This seems to be one of our bigger selling days, and it held pretty well, all in all. Looking at this volume here, it's actually a good thing to see that it held up as well as it did, having tested so much lower here. So I'm not going to say that Friday was a good day, but I'm going to say that it's better than it could have been with that much selling volume. We're still seeing strength. We're still seeing people trying to accumulate shares here. It looks like people want to keep this up in a higher trading range all in all. So I'm going to talk about some of the trading channels we've seen here. You can see that recently we've traded from about this 2.4 cents to, in general, this just under 3 cents, between 2.8 and 2.9 cent area. That's our most substantial trading channel here. You see it kind of hits that level on the top and it bounces back down. That's our previous trading channel. Now, if you're looking at what we've seen lately here, we're kind of starting to build a higher price channel. If we go off of the close from Friday up to about where we've seen several tops of candles here, opens, closes, and price taps in general, you see that we're starting to form a higher price channel between here and here. And that's a good sign. That means all in all, the stock is looking stronger than it was back here in early fall of 2015. So the trading channel's moving up. We still held up pretty well considering a high red volume day. And if you consider all things, you can see that we had some very strong green volume days. We saw some very strong price action lately. And it's very much, what comes up must come down at some point. Stocks can't just run up forever, otherwise everyone would be rich. This kind of action is healthy. It shows that people are taking profit. It shows that people are cutting losses, and it shows that a new set of investors are getting on board with the stock. Down here, people are trading shares. We're getting a new, stronger set of hands in here at a higher price than the last run up, than the last little loading and spiking phase that we had here. So all in all, I would say that this looks like we're setting up a new trading channel, and PSID is looking pretty good. Now, just keep in mind that I'm not a trained or licensed financial professional. Anything I say is for entertainment purposes only, or just for information, and please do not base a buy, sell, or hold decision on anything I've said. Thanks for watching. Good luck trading.